Hello guys, review Infinix GT 20 Pro. This version 12GB memory and 256GB internal memory. Okay, open box and look complementation. In complementation we have second box and here we have protected back cover, protected glass for screen, key for SIM slot, Dimensity 8200 Ultimate processor, okay, and device. And other complementation we have Type-C cable and quick charge adapter. Device, okay. Turn on device. Geekbench 6, GPU tests, look results, single core score and multi-core score test, GPU test results, okay, look and auto benchmark results, okay, powerful, very good results, XOS version 14.0.0, Android 14, 5000 mAh battery, okay, very good performance, PUBG Mobile works on the max graphic level, okay. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.